Here are 5 welding methods you can use every day, and they are incredibly useful. MIG welding is one of the fastest and easiest welding methods to learn. It uses a continuously fed wire that acts as both the electrode and the filler. Metal shielding gas protects the weld from contamination, creating strong and consistent joints. Because of its speed and simplicity, MIG welding is widely used in automotive work, construction, and manufacturing. It's perfect for beginners, but powerful enough for industrial production. TIG welding is a precision welding process known for its clean and high results. It uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode with argon gas protecting the weld from contamination. The filler metal is added by hand, giving the welder full control over heat and weld appearance. This method produces smooth, strong welds with almost no spatter. TIG welding is commonly used on thin materials like stainless steel and aluminum, especially in industries where accuracy and appearance matter. Stick welding, also known as shielded metal arc welding, is one of the most reliable welding methods in the world. It uses a flux-coated electrode that creates its own shielding, so no external gas is needed. Because of that, stick welding works extremely well outdoors, even in windy or dirty conditions. It's commonly used in construction, repair work, pipelines, and heavy steel fabrication. Stick welding produces strong, durable welds, especially on thick metal. After welding, the slag is removed to reveal the finished joint. Simple, tough, and versatile stick welding remains a go-to choice for real-world jobs. Laser welding is a high-precision welding technology used in modern manufacturing. It uses a focused laser beam to join metals with extreme accuracy and minimal heat distortion. Because the heat is highly concentrated, laser welding creates clean, narrow welds at very high speed. This makes it ideal for thin materials and complex components. Laser welding is widely used in automotive electronics, medical devices, and aerospace industries. Oxyacetylene welding uses a controlled flame to heat and join metal. By mixing oxygo, it creates intense heat for welding, brazing, and cutting. It's versatile, portable, and still widely used for repairs and metalwork.